Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First of all, let's go over to Facebook. Before getting started, I want you guys to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Here is your home page of your Facebook. So let's go over to the setting area. You can see it at your right by the down side, which is showing your profile picture there. Let me go over to it. So what you have to do next is for you to go over to setting and privacy. Over to setting and privacy, you're going to see privacy center. Okay, here is the privacy center. At the privacy center, you're going to see account center. Let me go over to account center. Here is the account center. You have to scroll down. You're going to see personal details. So here is the personal details. Let me go over to personal details. Over to the personal details, you're going to see account ownership and control. Here is the account ownership and control. Here is showing memorization and the activation or deletion. So you go over to the activation or deletion. Here it says to start the process, select what you could like to do, either temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. So I'm going over to the account which I want to delete. Here is showing the activating or deleting your Facebook account. I'm going over to delete at the downside, and here you say deleting your account. Your Facebook page is also going to delete. Your Instagram, which if you connect your Facebook to your Instagram, is going to disconnect. Also anything you connect to your Facebook, they are going to disconnect. They say before deleting, may we know like we they able to help. So I no longer find Facebook useful. You can choose any option which you want. So yeah, you have to do continue. They're trying to convince you not to delete Facebook, so you have to go over to continue. Yeah, they're trying to let you know that if you delete your Facebook account, your post, your picture which you saved on Facebook on the private side are going to be deleted. Anything concerning Facebook, your messenger are going to wipe out. So if you go over to continue, it will take you to this place, which is for your security. Please re-enter your passwords to continue. So you're going to enter your password. If you connect your Facebook to your email, they're going to send you a code which you are going to type in. If not, your Facebook account is going to be deleted forever. So guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Love you.